Yes, a very good morning to everyone. My name is Mrs. Bharti Khera. Okay, and I am going to teach you today a poem from Gulmohar class 4th book, and the title, the name of the poem is The Snake. Okay, The Snake, and the name of the poet is Ruskin Bond. Okay, so please note down. The name of the poem is The Snake, and it is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an English literature writer for children, and he is an Indian writer. Okay, he lives in hills in Missouri nowadays, and he is a very nature loving poet, you can say. Now I am going to start with the poem itself. Okay. So I'm going to explain it line wise in a sequence, stanza by stanza, and I will also explain some words after explanation of the whole poem. So please focus. When after days of rain, the sun appears. So the speaker, the poet is saying that after days of rain. So it means that there was rain for so long. For so many days it has been raining there, and when the rain stops, what happens after that? When the rain stops, the sun appears. After that, sun appears and the snake emerges. So when sun appears, what happens is, the animals who are living in the holes and the burrows, they are living in that cool place, they are feeling chilled. Now they would come out to soak the hot bright sun. So the sun emerges, green gold on the snake emerges, and the green gold on the grass. So what is the name given to the snake? Green gold. Why it is given so? Because the snake is green in color. You can see in the picture, the snake is green in color, and when sunlight falls on that green color skin of the snake, it appears to be green gold. So the speaker is saying the snake comes out of the hole to be in sun now, and the snake is lying on the grass. Grass is also green, snake is also green, but the snake's skin is shining with the shining bright sunlight, and now it appears to be gold green in color. The snake kept in so long. Okay, kept in so long. So the snake kept in so long, he basks for hours. So the snake has been in the hole for so many days, so long time, and now he wanted to soak the heat of the sun. So he basks for hours, soaks up the hot bright sun. So the snake is now lying in the sun, enjoying the warmth of the sunlight, and the snake is soaking the brightness, the hotness of the sun now. So it is very clear from this line that snake is enjoying the sun bath. The snake is enjoying the heat of the sun now. Knowing how shy he is of me, I walk a gentle pace. Now the speaker is saying that I know the snake is very shy, so that is the reason why I am walking very softly near him. So the speaker is near the snake, and he does not want to disturb the snake anymore. So what he does for that, he walks very softly, because he knows that the snake is very shy. So this is the quality of the snake the speaker is telling you. The speaker is trying to tell you that I know the snake is very shy. Okay, so this is the quality of the snake. Speaker knows this. So what does he do? He walks very gently so that the snake would not be disturbed. But then after, what happens? What he observes? Letting him doze in peace. Letting him doze in peace ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਬੇਟਾ, letting ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬੈਠੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇਣਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਏ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇਣਾ. Doze in peace, doze ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ when you are lying in the sun and taking a short nap. Peace matlab when you are lying in the silence. So the snake was lying on the grass, dozing in the sun, and he was in the peace. So the speaker don't want to disturb the snake. Okay, but to the snake, ਹੁਣ ਕੰਟਰਾਸਟ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੇਟਾ. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਪੋਇਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੰਟਰਾਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ although I does not disturb the snake, ਪਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਕੀ, but to the snake earthbound. earthbound ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੇਟਾ unable to move, ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਜਾਂ ਆਰਗੇਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਤੇ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ, so that organism is earthbound. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ. so but to the snake earthbound, each step must sound like thunder. so for the snake, each step must sound like thunder. snake ਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹਲਕਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਫੁੱਟਫਾਲ ਵੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਦਾ, it is sounding like thunder. okay, so for the snake, the simple sound of the footfall of the speaker is sounding like thunder. He glides away, goes underground. All of the sudden, when the snake feels that someone is coming, so he glides away and goes underground. I have known him for some years. I have known him. So I here is the speaker. I have known him. Him is the snake. So the speaker is saying that I have known him. Speaker is saying I have known the snake for some years. So it has been some years that I know him. A harmless green grass snake. So now the speaker is describing the another quality of the snake, that the snake is harmless. Green is the color of the snake. Grass snake, the snake which always be on the grass. Okay, so the green grass snake is harmless. The speaker is telling you that the green grass snake is shy in nature and the green grass snake is harmless in nature, who when sees me on the path uncoils and disappears. So the speaker is saying that whenever I saw this snake, what happens? Whenever he sees me, so whenever the snake sees the speaker, the snake uncoils and disappears. So the snake is shy and the snake is harmless, but then after the snake goes away, it moves from that place, it hides in the hole, it goes back underground. So this means that the snake does not want to be within the company of anyone or any human being. So the snake wants to live on its own without disturbance, and the snake wants to live in solitude. I think this whole poem written by Ruskin Bond is very much clear to you, and I'm really happy to explain this poem to you because this is a very beautiful poem about the poet which is living in the total harmony with the surroundings. The poet is living near the nature, and poet does not want to disturb any creature living on the land. So the poet is very concerned about the peace of snake even. I hope the poem is very much clear to you. Or if you are having any problem or any query regarding any word, please write in the comment box or you can ask me personally. Thank you so much.